Michael Bloom, chiropractor. What I want to share with you today is some range of movement stretches that you can do which are really easy with your neck. They're called PNF stretches. Now PNF stands for Proprioceptive Neuromuscular Facilitation, which is a mouthful, hence we call them PNF stretching. And really what it is using an isometric or a contraction, a contraction where you don't actually move to increase your range of movement. What's that actually mean? Well, let me show you. So if you want to increase your range of movement to the right, well then start turning to the right. Just go a little bit, like roughly halfway. Put your hand against your head, push into your hand, use your hand as a resistance. So if your hand wasn't there, your head would come to the middle, but your hand's stopping it. And that's the isometric contraction. So it's pushing, but you're not actually moving. Count to 5, and then increase your movement. Put your hand back there, push again, heading towards midline. Count to 5, relax. Do it again. Count to 5, relax. As you get further around, it gets harder to do that push into your hand, and that's quite normal. Then do the other side. Do each side 2 times through. You can also do this for side bending. So for example, side bending, if you want to use example to the right, well, take yourself roughly halfway, put your hand on the side of your head. If your hand wasn't there and you're pushing into where your hand is, you just come back to neutral. Your hand stops that. So you push into your hand, count to 5. Relax. Take it a bit further. Count to 5. Take it a bit further. Count to 5. Repeat the other side. Do each side 2 times through. The only thing you need to be careful of is pain. If you have some limitations because of a past injury or a current issue, then don't push through the pain region. So just get to the limitation of pain. So PNF stretching, really easy to do, safe to do, and will increase your range of movement. And think about the use case. So we always have to look behind us. We might hear a voice behind us. You might need to look into the back of your car. You might need to check on your kids in the car. So it's really good to be able to turn your neck, not have to turn your whole body. And then in terms of side bending, well, often you might need to look up at an angle. For example, you might be a tradesperson or doing some DIY, you need to look up at an angle. So it's good to be able to have side bending, obviously, as well. Or maybe you just want to be maximising your capacity of what you're capable of, hence the PNF stretching with your range of movement. If you have any comments, please do leave them and I'll do my best to get back to you. And wherever you are, stay fit, stay healthy, stay happy. Cheers.